Hey there, today we're going to look at how to insert furniture blocks in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, open AutoCAD and get your project ready, then use the Design Center tool to access block libraries. Over here, type DC in the command line and press Enter, so the Design Center window opens on your screen. After that, explore the Design Center window and look at the available panels on the left and right sides. Then, click on Design Center and start browsing available block categories for your project. Over here, scroll and find the Kitchens category, then double-click it to open furniture-related options. After that, open the Blocks section inside Kitchens and double-click on it to view all available block items. Then select the furniture block you want, like sink, stove, or cabinet, and prepare it for insertion. Over here, drag the selected block from the Design Center and drop it directly into your drawing space. After that, repeat the process if you need more blocks by going back to the Design Center and selecting other items. Then, once you are done, close the Design Center window and finish your layout easily. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.